EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for December 1st, 2020. New month and the start of meteorological winter officially today with the change of the calendar month. And we have a system fittingly moving away and cold air advection moving into the region today that's going to bring some breezy conditions to parts of the region today. Actually, most of the region will have wind gusts at generally 20 to 25 miles per hour at times throughout the daylight hours today, bringing in that colder air. And temperatures will be about 20 degrees colder than what we saw here on Monday. Now, it was very warm. We had some severe thunderstorm warnings, some tornado warnings go up. A tornado watch was in effect yesterday across our southeastern areas. So this will be quite the change from what we saw yesterday with those winds ushering in those changes today. We'll also have some rain-snow showers, rain-snow mix possible across parts of the region that will later become snow showers across north central and northeast PA. Just parts of the region, though. Let's go to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Starting this off at 7 a.m. and you have you're in western Pennsylvania, you're loving it because you have some accumulating snow out in those regions that is a continuation of what came overnight. So we have a little bit of a rain-snow mix possible in parts of the area this morning. And then once we get through the afternoon and evening and even part of the overnight, we have across north central, northeast PA, you have some snow shower activity that's going to be taking place. And again, then I'll go into the early part of Wednesday morning, as you can see here. And then it finally moves away according to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. So we have a lot of things going on today. Most of the area we're just going to be dry, and we'll have clouds in the morning giving way to sun. But areas further north, you'll be more variably cloudy with a chance for those snow showers that will continue into the overnight period. Doesn't really add up to too much, especially in the lower elevations, but you could have some coatings to an inch here and there across those northern areas today. But everywhere we'll see the windy condition or the breezy conditions today with wind gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour throughout the entire day. Once we get past this system, we're going to be returning to partly cloudy skies overnight for areas not seeing snow showers, so areas not in the northern areas. And then we'll have partly cloudy skies here on Wednesday. Temperatures are going to be in the lower 40s for highs here on Wednesday, and then mostly sunny on Thursday, but temperatures are going to rebound back to near average. So we're going to be right around upper 40s or thereabout, which is generally near average for this time of year, and mostly sunny skies expected here on Thursday. Now, Friday, this is where it gets a little interesting because there's a cold front moving toward the region, and there could be a few late day rain/snow showers here on Friday. This is just an isolated chance we're listing in our forecast now. So an increase in clouds on Friday, and then in the afternoon and evening, you're going to have a few rain/snow showers depending where you are. Interior favoring any snow shower activity. For the southeast, just a few rain showers as shown here. That front moves through and it's going to lower temperatures again by the time we get to the weekend. Now, the question is, what's going to happen this weekend? Now, we had in our forecast yesterday that we saw, we had an area low pressure that was sitting here off the coast and bringing rain to the region from for basically all day Saturday and into Sunday morning. That is no longer there. Okay, at least on this particular model. The GFS does have it, though, on the 0Z run here that did not show here. This is what's shown here. Once the front moves through, there's no low here. Okay, so Saturday, we're going with European model guidance for now, subject to change, of course, but partly cloudy skies here on Saturday in mid-40s, and then same thing, mid-40s here on Sunday with partly to mostly cloudy skies. We have an upper-level trough that's going to drop into the region here early next week, and on the fringe of that, as this drops down to the north, here's the upper-level trough sitting here like this. So the upper-level low is sitting back here. It spawns a surface low that's offshore here. Now, this is interesting because if this ends up being a little bit closer to the coast here, than shown, you could have some snow in our eastern areas here. This is that close, and there's a lot of things that the models do when they're trying to handle an upper level low that are a little goofy sometimes. So I don't want to take this run verbatim or any of these runs that are on any model. This is amazing if you look at the GFS, the European model, and the Canadian model, all three at 500 millibars, which is what controls our weather at 18,000 feet, are distinctly different. So to say that one solution is correct and the other one's not is a fool's errand right now because it's just really not a good idea to latch on to anything. But there is the opportunity here for Monday anyway to have some rain or snow showers. That could actually start here on Sunday night. So we did leave that in the forecast for Monday, but just kept low chance probabilities for now because we really don't know exactly how this is going to play out. Whenever you have an upper level low associated with an upper level trough, it kind of does its own thing. Okay, so again, this area low pressure that spawns here offshore, if and even it does spawn a low pressure offshore, if it's a little bit closer, could cause some issues here for at least our eastern areas with maybe some snowfall. And that's not out of the realm of possibilities. Some ensemble members have shown that. The consensus is that it's not going to do that, though. So there are some variability here that we have to discuss, and we'll iron this out in the week ahead. So the whole point here is that this is an evolving forecast as we head into the weekend and early next week, and that could be certainly changing. But it does look like we're going to be pretty chilly starting next week here with temperatures slightly below average. And, of course, that is getting the December 6th or 9th time frame. Generally, we have slightly below average temperatures. So if anything comes in during that time frame, any precipitation chances, any short waves or anything like that, you could see some snow in some areas. So we'll have to watch that very closely and, of course, update this daily as we get a little bit closer. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for December 1st, 2020. Have a great Tuesday.